just a little bit west of Woodburn, Oregon, for their hopefully annual big bird fly-in. It's really low key this trip, but beautiful weather, and we're ready to go. And here goes Ken Solomon right here with his beautiful Ryan. Very nice, Ken. Here comes Ken around for a low flyby with a Ryan ST. Okay, Ken looks like he's coming in, but I think it's just going to be a go-around. Looks very nice, Ken. Very nice. Man of the hour. Okay, Ken's coming home. A nice three-pointer. Very nice, Ken. Joe Topper, Newport 28. Nice little pass for Joe. These aircraft are kitted right up the street in Aurora, Oregon. Proctor Enterprises. Okay, Joe's going to touch and go for us.
1/4 scale.
Very nice. Okay, Joe says he wants to try that again. Looks good. Oh, very nice, Joe. Okay, Dennis Meyer says he's going to show us how to do it. Right, Dennis? With his Gitmo Bay SNJ. Okay, Dennis is into position. And there he goes. He's in the air. Gear up. Very nice. Comes Joe. Joe is down. Touch and go again. Okay, Dennis Meyer's got an engine out, so he's coming in for a landing whether he likes it or not. Not too slow. Look at that. Look at that. Not too shabby. Gary Parker. And GB. Very nice. It's a beautiful day out. Flyby for Gary. Very nice. Okay, Gary's going to do a touch and go for us with the GV. He's got a 3-cylinder Sato in here. Very nice. Very nice. Gary's coming in. Oh, look at that, sports fans. Whee! Don Steigman, Starduster. Don's going to be in for landing here next time around. Okay, Don Steigman is coming in. This is the first flight on this Starduster. It's running a little rich, so maybe he's going to lean it down. Oh, look at that, sports fans. Hey! Okay, we got Paul Witkowski with us here today. Paul, what's this airplane you got here?
Curtis Jenny.
100 inches, huh?
100 inches.
About 15 pounds?
Haven't waited.
Haven't waited, huh? Sure looks familiar to me.
It should.
In fact, I got plans for it in my van if anybody's interested. You haven't flown it yet today, right?
Nope, today will be our maiden flight.
Okay, okay, I can't wait. This is our Scale Masters Finance Officer, Officers J Super Cub. Gary Norton and his Super Cub. Flaps down, STOL. Very nice. Okay, Gary's going to do a nice, slow, low flyby for us.
What I did when I cut up all those is...
He just flaps down. It's a dirty flyby. And that's Gary right there. A touch and go for Gary Norton. Well done. Well done. A laser V in that aircraft. Now Gary says this is going to be a real low flyby. That's more like it. That's more like it. Very nice. Okay, Gary Norton's coming in on a crosswind landing here. You can see him crabbing. Flaps down. STOL. He's down. Very nice, Gary. So we got a Sukhoi taxiing out. Hold it right there. Okay, Jeff Stonis is taking off with his Sukhoi. There he goes, straight up. Raw power. Ooh, nice avalanche, Jeff. Hey, Wally is taking off. Very nice. Wally tip. Okay, Jeff's all through with his flight. He's coming in. Very nice. Gary Worthington, Spacewalker. Very nice, Gary. Okay, Bob Hoover taking off with his edge. Straight up, I bet. Very nice. So there's a nervous flyby by Gary Worthington. Very nice. Here's a touch and go for Gary Worthington. Oh, looks beautiful, beautiful. Okay, there's a nice slow flyby for Bob Hoover. Now he's going to go around and do a touch and go for me. Here comes Bob for a touch and go. And he's off. Okay, Bob Hoover is landing. He's down. Okay, here comes Ron Campbell for a flyby. He's a 154-inch Citabria. Okay, Ron Campbell's coming in for a touch and go, he says. He's got a Sato 300 in this little jewel. Of course, it's not very little. Look at that, look at that. Beautiful. That's real flying. Look at that determination on Ron's face there. Okay, Paul says this engine has never run before. It's brand new, Sato 100. Joe Topper's up again with his Newport 28. The Laser V200 I think he's got in it now. Maybe a 300, who knows? Very nice. Okay, Joe's going to do a touch and go for us. Very nice. Okay, Gary Parker's coming around in his GB for a touch and a go. Looks good. There he's down. And away he goes. Or something? Chandelle. A roll to the right. Very good. Okay, Gary's going to do a roll for us. Very nice, very nice. Off. These guys are coming in together. Joe's going to fly cover for him, but Gary is actually coming in for a landing. He was, anyway. He is. All right.
Gary's got a 3-cylinder Sato in that aircraft.
Okay, Joe's coming in for a hot landing, he says. This wind is building over these tents, isn't it?
It is.
Newport 28. Proctor Enterprises. Get them all are hot. Laser 300. Sharks. Wow. Looks menacing.
Now I still have plans for this aircraft. 8 sheets rolled with instructions and a color picture. 1995. How can you beat that? Call me, I won't call you.
The Jenny is in the air.
100 inches.
This proves that Paul Witkowski's Jenny flies. This is the first successful flight it's ever had. A brand new engine. Sato 100. Plans by yours truly. Get them while they're hot.
Coming back for another pass.
Oh, it's going to be a low flyby, I can tell. By gosh, I'm just going to have to rebuild mine, I guess. I've got to